Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see about the structure of abacus and also how to handle the abacus. This is a display abacus. This is called frame and this is bar. These are all lower beads and these are all called upper beads. These vertical lines are called rods. And this is called bar, and these are all called pointers, and this is the unit point where we'll do all the calculations. This is called center point. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. It's going on increasing, the value will be going on increasing. Here the value is 1/10, 100, 1000s and so on. This is student abacus. They should hold the abacus like this. These two fingers should not touch this. They should hold the pencil like this. These two fingers for calculations. So these four fingers are for calculations. Before doing calculations, check the beads that should not touch this bar. The beads which are touching this bar have values, other beads doesn't have any value. These are all called pointers. So the third point, this is the unit point, we are going to move the beads here. 1, this is 1, set to 0. 2, this is 2, then set to 0. 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 beads should go on. This is 3, then 4, this is 4. Now the upper bead has value of 5. So we should use the index finger. 5 minus 5. Now to set 6, 5 plus 1, these two fingers should move simultaneously. 6, this is 6. 7, 7 is 5 and 2. 7 minus 7. 8, this is 8 minus 8. 9 is 5 and 4 makes 9. Okay. Now to set 10, as I told you already, this is the tens rod. This is 10. 11. So this is 11. This is tens rod. This is 10. This is 11. So how much is this? This is 20. This is 34. This is 34. Then 42. So tens place, 4 beads are touching the bar. So 42. Now 45. Now the upper bead has value of 50. So this is 54. So to use the upper bead 50, we should use the middle finger of the left. 54. Now 69. This is 69. Now 78. 78. Now 87. 87. 8 beads are touching, so 80. 7 beads are touching in the unit place, so 87. Now 99. So 9 beads, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 9 beads are touching here, so 90, 99. Now this is hundreds place. This is 242. Okay, consider this as your unit point. We are going to set 239. So 9. So 9 bit should be here. 3 means 30. 1, 2, 3. 200. So 239. This is 239 to 39. Today we have seen about the structure of abacus and also place value of the rods and how to move the beads. Thanks for watching.